Ndimi nzira, ndimi tenzi, ndimi baba, ndimi moka makandifira, ndimi tenzi, ndimi baba, ropa renyu rakandirwira, ndimi tenzi, ndimi baba, ndimi chokwadi, ndimi nzira.
Tisimudzire shoko renyu, tinodakasha panikama. It sounds beautiful. One more time. Let's go. Hey.
Especially with what people say actually is true. A female musician who is not threatened by another female musician, a female musician who actually enjoys putting other female musicians on with her own money, with her own resources. She goes out and makes her way and she brings you in. The next time that I saw her after that time, she brought me in to Huyai to perform. And that is one of the times that if I had respected her before, it went down. Because the way she hosted me, and I'm a youngin to her, She hosted me like I'm the queen. And she hosted me in a way that made me feel like I'm doing something. Every time I'm in her presence, I'm encouraged. And working with her is one of the most amazing blessings ever. I don't know if anyone else can testify to that. She is a blessing. I feel so, so I'm not looking at her right now. I feel so much whenever I see or think about or talk about Tariro neGitare. Because what God has shown her, what God is doing through her, she is not shy, she is not fearful. She's so eager to give it out to the world, which has been my encouragement to every artist, especially if you call yourself a Christian. It is our mandate to give life to this world. The world is so much in need of Jesus and doesn't know it. So however we package it, however we take it there, we have to be the ones who bring that light, that life to the world. And whatever you do, whatever you write, whatever you sing, make sure and know in your heart, know in your relationship with God that it glorifies Him. Not guessing, not assuming, but it glorifies Him. Because that is how the name of the album Huyai today then actually manifests. You can call people to this Jesus that you have because they can see it in you. Because everything you are doing is glorifying Him. Even if they don't know what it is, they just see upon you, as long as they can say, wow. If they can say, wow, that is glory to God. So I'm so proud to say I know you. I'm so honored to be a person you can call up to come and speak here on me.
Thanks, Tali, and well done. Congratulations on this album. Huyai is one of my favorite songs. It really is. And as you've all been hearing, just that message from Isaiah 55, to come by without money, but to buy that which truly satisfies, that which is truly life. And the reason I love the song and I love that chapter is because it comes counterintuitive to what you and I naturally I love it because it's a message of hope, like Tali's name, Tariro. And I love all things creative, and actually here at the Oasis we love all things creative because when we create, we are just being like God, who is the ultimate creator, right? And so what's happening here is massive, and we just love to get behind art, to get behind all things creative. And so anyone who considers themselves creative, won't you just slip up your hand? I might just park here until every single hand is out, because God has given us all the ability to be creative, of course. And the reason I love what's happening here today is because we are propagating this message of hope, and musicians like Tali, Adrian, and others put words of hope on people's lips that we go to sing. And so we want to encourage you in what you're doing. Keep going, keep propelling this message. Ultimately, this message, we call it the gospel because it's such good news. It says when the world is pursuing money, sex, and power, we can pursue that which is truly life, that which truly satisfies. And so we want to celebrate that because that's good news, and that's a message of hope, because suddenly we can lay hold of that which satisfies. And when we come back for more, we're coming back to drink deep that which is truly life. Not the fleeting stuff that we kind of chase, and each time we chase it, we think we're going to arrive, but we realize we haven't, so we want more and we try other things. So let's continue to celebrate. We're looking forward to